2 of nursing aptitude, duties of a professionally qualified nurses. Nursing is a profession that involves providing care and support to patients who are seeking medical treatment or assistance. The role of nurse is multifaceted and requires a high degree of skill and knowledge. A professionally qualified nurse must be able to perform a variety of tasks, including providing direct patients to care, administering medications, and maintaining accurate medicine records. In this chapter, we will discuss the duties of a professional qualified nurse and provide examples how these duties are carried out in life of healthcare settings. First topic is providing direct patient care. The primary responsibilities of a professionally qualified nurse is to provide direct patient care. This includes assessing the patient's physical and emotional state, providing comfort and support, and administering treats as necessary. Nurses are often the first of contact for patients when they enter a healthcare facility, and they play a critical role in ensuring that patients receive the care they need. For example, a nurse working in an emergency department may be responsible for triage patients, assessing their condition, and providing initial treatment. A nurse working in a long-term care facility may be responsible for providing daily care and such as bathing, feeding, and administering medications for residents. 2. Another important duty of professionally qualified nurse is to administer medications to patients. This includes ensuring that the correct medication is given at the appropriate dose and time. Nurse must also monitor patients for any adverse reactions to medications and take appropriate actions if necessary. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may be responsible for administering antibiotics to a patient with an infection. A nurse working in a nursing home may be responsible for administering to residents with chronic conditions such as diabetes and hypertension. And topic 3, maintaining accurate medical records. Nurses are responsible for maintaining accurate medical records for their patients. This includes documenting patients' assessments, treatments, and medications administered. Nurses must be ensured that medical records are kept confidential and secure. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may be responsible for documenting a patient's vital signs and administering medication. A nurse working in a long-term care facility may be responsible for administrating, documenting a resident's daily care and any changes in their conditions. Topic 4. Educating patients and families. A professionally qualified nurse also play an important role in educating patients and their family about their medical conditions and treatment options. This includes providing information about medication, managing symptoms, and promoting healthy lifestyle choices. For example, a nurse working in a clinical may be responsible for educating patients and diabetes about the importance of monitoring blood and sugar levels and following health diet. A nurse working in a hospice may be responsible for educating patients and their families about to end of life care options. Now topic 5, collaborating with healthcare professionals. Nurses work collaboratively with other healthcare professionals, including doctors, therapists, and social workers. Nurses may consult with these professionals to develop care plans and ensure that patients receive the best possible care. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may collaborate with a physical therapist to develop a rehabilitation plan for a patient recovering from surgery. A nurse working in a hospice may collaborate with a social worker to provide emotional support to patients and their families. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are varied and require a high degree of skill and knowledge. Nurses must be able to provide direct patient care, administer medication, medications, maintain accurate medical records, educate patients and families, and collaborate with other healthcare professionals. Through their dedication and hard work, nurses play a critical role in ensuring that patients receive the care they need to achieve optimal health outcomes. Now, topic 6, maintaining a safe environment. One of the important responsibilities of the professionally qualified nurse is to maintain a safe environment for patients. This includes identifying and addressing potential hazards in the healthcare setting, such as infection control, measuring proper use of medical equipment, and a fall prevention. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may be responsible for ensuring that patients are properly positioned and secured to prevent falls. A nurse working in a long-term care facility may be responsible for ensuring that residents receive vaccinations to prevent the spread of infections. Topic 7, responding to emergencies. In addition to providing routine care, a professionally qualified nurse must be prepared to respond to emergencies that may arise in the healthcare settings. This included administering life-saving interventions such as CPR and coordinating with other healthcare professionals, stabilize and transfer critically ill patients. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may be responsible for responding to a patients who have experienced cardiac arrest, and a nurse working in a nursing home may be responsible for responding to resident who has fallen and sustained a serious injury. And a topic 7 is continuing professional development. Finally, a professionally qualified nurse must be engaged in a continuing professional development to maintain and enhance their skills and knowledge. This includes participating in ongoing training and education programs, staying up to date with changes in healthcare policies and practices, nursing advanced degrees or certifications. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may pursue certification in a specialized area such as critical care nursing or a neonatal nursing. A nurse working in a community health center may participate in ongoing training programs to learn about new approaches to patients' care and community outreach. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are numerous and diverse. Nurses play a critical role in providing high quality patient care, administering medications, maintaining accurate medical records, educating patients and families, collaborating with other healthcare professionals, maintaining a safe environment, responding to emergencies, and engaging in continuing professional development. Through their dedication, expertise, and compassion, nurses make a significant contribution to the healthcare field and to the well-being of their patients. And topic 8, advocating for patients. Another important duty of professionally qualified nurse is to advocate for their patients. This involves speaking up on behalf of patients to ensure that they receive the care and resources they need to achieve the best possible health outcomes. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may advocate for the patients to receive a certain medications or treatment that is not initially prescribed by the physician. A nurse working in a community health center may advocate for patients to have managing to affordable healthcare services sources. Topic 10, managing sources. Professionally qualified nurses also play a role in managing sources in the healthcare setting. This including managing staff and equipment, ensuring that sources are used to efficiently, and identifying opportunities for improvement. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may be responsible for managing a team of nurses and support staff to ensure that patient care is delivered effectively and efficiently. A nurse working in a long-term care facility may be responsible for managing equipment and supplies to ensure that they are available when needed. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are verified and complex. Nurses play a critical role in providing high quality patients care, administering medications, maintaining accurate medical records, educating patients and families, collaborating with other healthcare professionals, maintaining a safe environment, responding to emergencies, engaging in continuing professional development, advocating for patients, and managing resources. Through their expertise and compassion and dedications, nurses make a significant contributions to a healthcare field and to the well wing of the air patients. Topic 11. Topic 11 is conducting research. Nurses who are professionally qualified and also conduct research to improve patients' care and healthcare practices. By conducting studies and analyzing data, nurses can identify best practices and help shape healthcare policies. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may conduct research on a patient's outcomes related to a specific medical inventions. A nurse working in a community health center may conduct research on effectiveness of a community health program aimed at reducing rates of chronic disease. Topic 12. Providing emotional support. Finally, professionally qualified nurses provide emotional support to patients and their families. This involves showing empathy and compassion, listening to patients' concerns, and providing emotional support during difficult times. A nurse working in a hospice setting may provide emotional support to patients and their families as they face end of life care decisions. A nurse working in a psychiatric faculty may provide emotional support to patients who are struggling with mental health issues. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are numerous and verified. Nurses play a critical role in providing high quality patients' care and conducting research, advocating for patients, managing resources, providing emotional support, and engaging in continuing professional development through their expertise, compassion, and education. Nurses make a significant contribution to the healthcare field and to the well-being of their patients. And topic 13. Collaborating with interdisciplinary teams. Nurses who are professionally qualified also collaborate with interdisciplinary teams to provide comprehensive care to patients. This involves working with physicians and social workers, therapists, and other healthcare professionals to develop and implement a care plan that addresses the unique need of each patient. A nurse working in a rehabilitation center may collaborate with physical therapists, occupational therapists, and speech therapists to develop a comprehensive treatment plan for a patient recovering from a stroke. A nurse working in a hospice setting may collaborate with physicians, social workers, and spiritual care providers to provide holistic care to patients and their families. Topic 14. Providing health education. Professionally qualified nurses also provide health education and patients to their families to promote their healthy lifestyle choices and prevent illness. They involves providing information on nutrition, exercises, diseases preventions, and self-care. A nurse working in a community healthcare center may provide education on healthy eating habits and the importance of physical activity to prevent chronic diseases. A nurse working in a hospital may provide education on infection control measures and hand hygiene to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are diverse and complex. Nurses play a critical role in providing high quality patients' care, conducting research, advocating for patients, managing resources, and providing emotional support, collaborating with interdisciplinary teams, and providing health education. Their expertise and compassion and dedications, nurses make a significant contribution to healthcare field to the well-being of their patients. Topic 15. Ensuring patient safety. Professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to ensure the safety of their patients. This involves identifying potential risk and taking appropriate measures to prevent harm to patients. For example, a nurse working in a hospital may identify a patient who is at high risk of falling and takes steps to prevent falls, such as placing the patient on bed rest or using restraints. A nurse working in a community health center may identify a patient who is at risk of medication interaction and provide education on proper medication use. Topic 16. Adaptation of changing healthcare environments. Finally, professionally qualified nurses must be adaptable to changing healthcare environments. Healthcare practices and technologies are constantly evolving, and nurses must be able to adapt to these changes to provide high quality patients care. For example, nurses must stay up to date on the latest healthcare practices, healthcare practices and technologies such as electronic medical records, telehealth, and patients medicine. They must also be able to adapt to changes in care policies, regulations that may impact patients' care. In conclusion, duties of professionally qualified nurse are multifaceted and complex. Nurses play a critical role in providing high quality patients care, conducting research, advocating for patients, managing resources, providing emotional support, collaborating with interdisciplinary teams, providing health education, ensuring patient safety, and adapting to changes healthcare environments. Through their expertise, compassion, and dedications, nurses make a significant contribution to the healthcare field and to the well-being of their patients. Topic 17: Maintaining ethical standards. Professionally qualified nurses are also expected to be maintain ethical standards in their practices. This involves upholding the principles to of beneficence, not malfeasance, respect for patient autonomy and justice. A nurse may need to make difficult ethical decisions such as whether to disclose confidential patient information in cases of suspected child abuse. Nurses must also be aware of cultural and religious beliefs that may impact patients' care decisions. Topic 18: Promoting quality improvement. Nurses who are professionally qualified have a duty to promote quality improvement in healthcare. This involves identifying opportunities for improvement and implementing evidences based practices to enhance patients' outcomes. For example, a nurse may identify a high rate of hospital acquired infections and implementations infections control measures to reduce incidence of infections. A nurse may also implement best practices for medication administration to reduce medication errors and improve patient safety. Topic 19: Advocating for social justice. Professionally qualified nurses also have a duty to advocate for social justice and address health disparities. This involves addressing systematic barriers to healthcare access and promoting healthcare equity. For example, a nurse may advocate for policies that improve access to healthcare for advantaged populations such as Medicaid expansions or funding for community health clinics. A nurse may also work to address social determinants of health such as property, education, and housing that impact health outcomes. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are extensive and encompass a wide range of responsibilities. Nurses play a critical role in promoting high quality patients care, conducting research, advocating for patients, managing resources, providing emotional support, collaborating with interdisciplinary teams, providing health education, ensuring patient safety, adapting to changing health environment, maintaining ethical standards, promoting equality improvement, and advocating for social justice. Through their expertise, compassion, and dedication, nurses make a significant contributions to healthcare field and to the well-being of their patients. And topic 20: Engaging in lifelong learning. Finally, professionally qualified nurses are expected to engage in lifelong learning to maintain and enhance their knowledge, skills, and competencies. Nursing in a constantly evolving field, and nurses must stay up to date on the latest advances in research, technology, and best practices. For example, a nurse may attend conferences or continuing education courses to learn about a new treatments or technologies. They may also engage in self directed learning, such as reading professional journals or participating in online learning activities. In conclusion, the duties of a professionally qualified nurse are broad and varied, encompassing many different roles and responsibilities. Nurses play a vital role in the healthcare system, working to promote patients' health, provide high quality care, and advocate for patients and communities. Through their expertise, compassion, and commitment to lifelong learning, nurses play a significant contribution to the well being of patients, society as a whole.